Picture a plate of food: vivid greens, bright oranges, golden grains. It looks healthy, but what if it's quietly losing its nutritional power? The change isn't in how we cook or store food, but in the very soil where it grows. Our crops are under stress, and this is silently rewriting the story of our food. A carrot today may have less beta-carotene than one grown decades ago. Wheat might contain less protein, zinc, and iron. The health of our planet is directly linked to the health on our plates. This isn't a distant problem. It's happening now, across global fields and farms. Erratic weather and stressed soil are disrupting the delicate balance that nurtures life. Abundance in quantity no longer guarantees quality. For children, this means weaker immune systems, even with full stomachs. For communities, it means hidden health issues. The journey from seed to plate now tells an invisible story of loss. Understanding this connection is the first step toward a solution. For millennia, rich living soil has fed civilizations. Healthy fields are complex ecosystems teeming with life and nutrients. But today this foundation is under threat. Across the world, once fertile lands are exhausted and stressed. Droughts parch the land, floods wash away topsoil, and heat waves bake the ground. Rising sea levels bring salt water into farmlands, turning productive fields barren. Each stressor creates a hostile environment for crops. The effects are global. A farmer in Asia faces salty soil. One in Africa faces drought. Another in North America faces floods. The land is struggling, and so are the crops. The very foundation of our food system is weakening. This transition from fertile to barren is a stark reminder of the crisis we face. Our food's future depends on restoring the health of our soil. When plants are stressed, they shift from thriving to mere survival. Healthy plants draw up minerals, zinc, iron, magnesium, from the soil, building nutrition we depend on. Drought limits water and nutrient uptake. Roots wither. Floods drown roots, cutting off oxygen and nutrients. Heat damages the plant's internal machinery, slowing growth and vitamin production. Salty soil disrupts water absorption and mineral balance. Stressed plants may look normal, but are nutritionally hollow. They survive, but don't thrive, producing less of the vitamins and minerals we need. This invisible theft happens before harvest, leaving us with food that looks the same but nourishes less. The stress in the field becomes a loss on our plates. The decline in crop nutrition leads to hidden hunger, bodies full, but starved of vital micronutrients. People may eat enough, yet still suffer from deficiencies that weaken immunity and development. Rising carbon dioxide makes things worse. Crops grow faster, but with fewer minerals. This carbon dioxide fertilization effect dilutes nutrition in staple foods like wheat and rice. Studies show alarming drops in protein, iron, and zinc, nutrients essential for health. Billions rely on these crops, so the impact is global. Climate stressors, drought, heat, rising CO2 create a perfect storm for hidden hunger. Farmers grow food that looks plentiful but is less nourishing than before. Families eat, but aren't truly nourished, leading to stunted growth and greater disease risk. This is a crisis of quality, not just quantity. Food security now means more than just having enough to eat. It means having food that truly sustains us. The challenge is huge, but there is hope. Around the world, scientists and farmers are restoring nutrition to our food. Biofortification breeds crops richer in iron, zinc, and vitamin A, often through traditional methods. Regenerative farming heals soil with cover crops, no-till methods, composting, and crop rotation. Healthy soil grows healthy plants. Innovations like advanced irrigation and climate-resilient seeds help farmers adapt. By blending ancient wisdom with modern science, we can build a food system that nourishes and endures. Our choices, as consumers, policymakers, and citizens, shape the meals of tomorrow. Supporting sustainable farming and research can reverse the silent decline. The seeds of change are in our hands. Let's sow a future where every plate is truly nourishing.